Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable or turn off the narrator or the speech in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom search bar, type settings. The moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Double tap to continue. Okay, so once you have open your settings, wait until everything is ready. Okay, so now everything is ready. Now proceed to the left side of your screen. It has this different options. Here you need to look for accessibility. Once you find it, tap it to continue. Once you have successfully opened your accessibility options, it has these different categories, which are three, namely vision, hearing, and interaction. Now we need to proceed to the vision, and at the least of what, it has this narrator, which what we are looking for, which contains the voice, verbosity, keyboard, and braille. Click this forward arrow to continue. And the moment you've opened the narrator sections, it has this use narrator, and at the very first of that, it states their narrator. Aligning that, it has this option where you can turn off and turn on the narrator. Now, since in your case it has been in on, then click simply turn it off to disable your narrator. Okay, let me just minimize this since I have it on. Okay, so just have to turn it off. Okay, and in that manner you have just successfully disabled or turned off your narrator or the speech in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.